Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome for the first time. Either way, I'm super happy you're here. We've got another fall mani. Shocker, I know. I'm kind of obsessed with doing fall manis. I love summer, I love winter, spring, all of it, but I don't know. Fall manis are where it's at for me, or at least right now. Maybe when winter comes, I'll probably be really excited to be done with fall manis. But we are going to do some stamping and just stamping. I'm only going to show you guys my first layer of dip. This is iGel Natural Choice. I wanted to go with a really nude natural color for this look. I'm sure you guys saw the thumbnail, but basically we are going to do abstract stamping. And that is what I love about stamping so much, is I don't have to draw. Because if I did, it would look like a 3-year-old did it. It would be horrendous. There's no way, and especially since I don't use gel, it would be like, there's no way. I mean, maybe I could do it with acrylic paint pen, some of it, but not all of it. So, yeah, that's what we're going to do. And if you noticed in my intro, my music has changed. So I did get a comment on one of my previous videos just about the music being repetitive. And I have been playing that same song for a long time, even though I do love it. And I do get a lot of positive feedback. I thought it would be nice to switch it up. If you guys like this, let me know. If you hate it, let me know. I do have some other options, but this is basically just instrumental. Ooh, I don't know if I'm saying that right. Doesn't sound right in my head. There's no words, so it can't be, well, it might be repetitive still, but hopefully it works. I like it, so I'm hoping you guys do too. But like I said, I do have other options. Plus, I could go back into the YouTube audio library and find other stuff. So we have done 2 coats of the Natural Choice, and we capped and clear. And now we are going to activate. And then I file and buff off camera. There's nothing. I mean, I think I've showed you guys my first time doing press-ons, my filing routine. But it's super, super simple. I go around the edges and the free edge. Sorry, I go around the sidewalls of the press-ons and the free edge just to kind of straighten everything out, get my shape back a little bit. I don't lose it too much doing press-on style, but a little bit. And then I just go over the top of every nail with the 180 grit file. And then I will buff the tops, and then bam, we are ready for nail art. So I'm going to, nothing, because we're going to be there in 20 seconds, I think. I was wrong. I just took a little peek to see how far off we were from the nail art. And I did leave filing in on the thumbnail, just so you guys could see. So I'm going to let you guys check this music out. Let me know what you think. And I will be back as soon as we're done with this. Okay, and just like that, we are done because I did the rest off camera. So I am putting on my sticky base coat, and I put this on every nail, but I do it one at a time. So like you'll see, actually, I think I don't show it because I wasn't on camera, but it's just sticky base coat. So, but I do keep all the stamping in. I think I managed to do really good at staying on camera for all of the stamping. I know I struggle at that. So I'm using the one plate, which is from Maniology, to do the circle, just to kind of give it that abstracty look. And then I use this. So this is like a fall abstract palette, stamping palette. And I do a different design on every nail as far as the black design, but as far as the white and that really pretty reddish color, that's the same on every nail. So it'll be a circle, and then that blob thing, I guess is what you call it. And then I do a different leaf on every nail. So I did do the small circle on the pinky, and then I moved to this middle nail for all the other nails except the thumb. On the thumb, I do use the bigger circle. Not that any of that matters, but, just trying to explain what I'm doing. And I don't know. I really love how this turned out. I did do it matte, which I did actually leave my top coating in this video. Which I think on the last video, I think I recorded it and then, I think I thought I was recording it, but I wasn't. And I didn't even notice until I was editing my video that it wasn't in there. I was like, what happened? But you guys have seen me top coat a kabillion jillion. Okay, maybe not that many times. I haven't uploaded that many videos. You guys have seen me top coat before, unless you're new, which if you're new, hello, welcome, stick around. The more the merrier. So, yeah, I'm going to let you guys watch this. We're almost done. We're on the middle finger, so only a little bit more to go. And I will give you guys a little update on the building process, my saga, why I'm doing press-ons to begin with, which again, I'm still loving, but I am so tired of my nails just being short, nubby, little naked thingies. It's so weird because I haven't really, this is the longest I've ever gone, I think, except when I had my gel allergy. I did go a couple weeks after that, but I'm not used to this. Trying to get used to it, but I can't, there's nothing I can really do about it, especially right now because hi, there's my face. I am trying to find out which one I'm going to do. But anyway, right now we are putting the trusses on, which is like the roof rafters, I think is technically what they are. But it is a lot of work, and I'm holding one end, climbing up the ladder while my stepdad holds the other end and climbs up the ladder, and then we have to hold it in place, tack it in, and then we have to put the sheathing plywood on top of the roof, the trusses. That is terrifying. The other day, I was standing on the roof that the trailer's under right now, and I was like, oh, I can get up there easy. I weigh way less than you, no big deal. And my leg was like, no, you don't. Like, literally, my leg would not move at all. It was horrible. I was terrified. Well, I wasn't. I mean, I thought I was fine, but my leg was like, nope. Not. Oh, I guess I didn't leave all my Man, I'm out of frame. I thought I did so good. Okay, anyway, so that's where we're at. We've got 5 trusses up out of 19. And the weather has not been cooperating with us. So we're like up and down, up and down. Like we'll work for a little bit and then the rain starts and we have to stop. And then if we can, we'll get back out there. You really don't want to be hanging trusses or sheathing the roof when it's raining or just rained, because it's wet. And oh, you guys are going to see a boo-boo here. And it's a super easy fix, but the sticky base coat was still way too wet. So this is what happens when your sticky base coat is still too wet. Oh, that looks, well, you guys can't see it that well, but it's pretty bad. So I just take a lint-free wipe and some swipe solution. Sorry, alcohol. I don't have any more swipe solution. And then I was able to redo it. No big deal. Super easy fix. But anyway, yeah, so that's where we're at. So we have a lot of work left. So like I said, 5 trusses so far out of 19. Then we still have to sheathe the whole roof. We already have all the walls up except like in a couple spots. So well, the wall's up, but the plywood on the outside is not up in a couple spots. So we got to do that. And then there's just a lot of finish work like blocking and all that weird technical stuff that I don't think I even still understand, even though I'm partaking in the process. And then after all that's done, I believe we go around and seal everything. Oh, and there we are. There is, sorry, I'm totally not even talking about nails right now. Hopefully that's not bothering anyone. So we're going to do our smudge-free top coat now. I show you guys on the pinky, but I do the rest off camera just because I didn't want this video to be too long. Plus, it's the same thing on every nail. Kind of gets boring. So it's been about 10 to 15 minutes, and I feel pretty secure going in with my dip base and doing a layer of clear. And I'm only going to show this one nail, but because I already did the rest off camera, but I kind of wanted you guys to see what I was doing. And then I don't leave it on camera just because I already left a little bit in, but I basically just buff the tops. I don't go in with a file. I only go in with my buffer and I buff the tops. So I don't know where I was as far as the building, so we're just going to leave it at that, but there's a lot of work left to do. So it's going to be a while. Hopefully by the time it's done, my nails are nice and grown out and beautiful, and I just start dipping my natural nails, or I just keep doing press-ons, or I do a combination of both. But I will not do press-ons if I have to cut my natural nails. I won't do it because that's not going to happen. If I can manage to actually grow them out, which we'll see. So I will keep you guys posted on all of that. And I will keep you guys posted on the building as well. I probably will try to snap a little couple pictures or video for Monday or Tuesday's video just to show you guys where we're at. So we're done talking about that. Activator is done, waited 2 minutes. Now I'm wiping off every single nail. And I think I told you guys in like 2 videos back how I do this. But we are going to do the first layer with the odorless, shiny, regular top coat. Well, it's not regular because it's odorless, but you know what I mean. And then the second layer I will do with the matte. And that's like the best way to get the matte out, like to do good. I did it with just the matte dip top coat. It was not good at all. So definitely highly recommend go in with your shiny for the first layer, and then on your second layer do the matte. I am so close to empty on this thing, but I don't know if you guys are like this or if it's just a weird me thing, but I want to get every single speck of liquid out of these products. I go through a lot of liquids and they're not cheap. I mean, they're not like, I'm like, oh God, they're so overpriced, but they're, you know, it adds up. And I like to buy the whole like dip or base activator top coat when I'm buying them. So I really will drain a bottle as much as I can possibly drain it. So after I get this done, I do have a little time-lapse video. It is actually kind of cool, where it's a really close-up of the press-ons and it's watching the matte dip top coat dry. It's pretty awesome. I'm going to let you guys finish watching this and I will be back as soon as that's over. So very shortly. I actually thought that was pretty cool watching the little time lapse, but we are done. Well, I'm going to put them on and then you guys will see what they look like. So there we go. I hope you guys liked this video. Your homework assignment is to either hit that like button if you liked it, of course, and let me know what you think about the music. Unless you just don't care, then don't worry about that part. Have a beautiful day. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.